Hariam children, in the last video I have cleared about the concept about profit and loss and done some problem also. In this video I will do some more problems related to profit and loss. Very simple question I will do but little tricky. So let's see. Question number 1. So question number 1. The cost price of 5 pence is equal to the selling price of 6 pence. Find the gain or loss percent. So here the cost price of 5 pence is how much? That is equal to the selling price of 6 pence. So let the CP of 5 pence is equal to X. Clear? So only both the selling and CP and SP of both same pence we have to be compared. So CP of 5 pence is equal to X. So CP of 1 pen is equal to X by 5. Clear? Now CP of 5 pence, what is the amount that is equal to the selling of 6 pence. So SP of 6 pence is equal to same X. So SP of 1 pen is equal to X by 6. So CP here 1 pen is X by 5 and SP of 1 pen is X by 6. So which is more, CP or SP? Definitely here the CP will be more. Understood? So the loss is equal to CP minus SP. CP is X by 5 minus SP is X by 6. So implies loss is equal to LCM is 5, 6, LCM is 30. Here 6x minus 5x. So x by 30. Loss, question asks to find the gain or loss percent. So loss percent is equal to, what is the formula loss percent to calculate? Always I have told you loss or profit percent you have to calculate on CP. So loss by CP into 100. So loss, here you got X by 30 into divided by CP. CP of 1 pen is X by 5. X by 5 into 100. So here you write X by 30 reciprocate 5 by X into 100. X cancel, 5 cancel 6. Here 6 again cancel with 2, 3, here 50. So 50 by 3%. Understood? Also you have to change into mixed fraction. In mixed fraction by changing you have to write the answer. So another question you see. So question number 2. A TV set was sold at a gain of 15%. Had it been sold for rupees 375 more, the gain would have been 20%. Find the CP. So which is unknown here? Question asks you to find CP. So CP we have to take a variable. First statement you read, the CP if we have to take X, gain is 15%. So selling price we get. Now in the second case, the gain is 20% and CP is X. So SP will get. Now according to the question, had it been sold for rupees 375 more, that means as compared to the first case, in the second case it will be the selling price is rupees 375 more. So second selling price minus first selling price is equal to 375. So if we solve, we will get the value of CP. So I am solving here. So let the CP be X and The selling price in the first case, when gain is 15%, SP is equal to 1 plus profit by 100 into CP X. Already formula I have told you. So implies SP is equal to 100. If you add 115 by 100 X. Keep it like this. Not required to reduce. It will easy to subtract. So in the second case, when gain is 20%, SP is equal to 1 plus 20 by 100 into X. So it will be 120 by 100 X. So this is the first SP. Suppose you give the name SP1 and this is SP2. So in the case of second SP, there would have been selling price is how much more? 375. So according to the question, second SP minus first SP is equal to 375. So 120x by 100 minus 115x by 100 is equal to rupees 375. So implies LCM is 100. It will be 120x minus 115x is equal to 375. If we subtract, it will 5x by 100 is equal to 375. Implies x is equal to 375 into 100 by 5. Cancel 20. If we multiply, we will get here 0, 0, 5, 7. So rupees 7,500. So X we have taken the CP. So CP will get rupees 7,500. Understood? Now next question. So third question. By selling a basket for rupees 19.50, a shopkeeper gains 30%. For how much should he sell to gain 40%? So first statement, the selling price is given rupees 19.50, gain is 30%. So from this SP and gain percentage we can get CP. So right here SP is equal to rupees 119.50 and profit percentage is given 30%. So now use the formula SP is equal to 1 plus profit by 100 into CP. So implies SP is equal to SP given. So write here values. SP is 19.50. 1 plus profit is given 30 by 100 into CP. So 19.50, it will be 130 by 100 into CP. So CP will keep this side and this 130 by 100 will bring this side and divide. So it becomes 19.50 into 100 by 130 is equal to CP. So 0, 0 cancel. Now 10 by 13. So implies 195 is divisible by which number? 19.50 you change into fraction. 1950 by 100 into 10 by 13 is equal to CP. So 0 cancel, this 0 cancel. Now 13 divisible 195 will get 13, 15. So implies Cp is equal to rupees 15. Now again the second statement is given for how much should he sell to gain 40%. So Cp you got rupees 15, gain is 40%. So question asks to find the selling price. So right here Cp is equal to rupees 15 and gain percentage is given 40%. So Sp is equal to 1 plus 40 by 100 into 15. So this is 140 by 100 into 15. 0 0 cancel, 5 cancel 2, 3. Again here what left? 14 into 3 by 2. Cancel. So rupees 21. So got the Sp. So for how much should he sell? So the shopkeeper sells at rupees 21 to gain 40%. So understood? So next question you see. So question number 4. Lemons are bought for 5 for a rupee. How many for a rupee should be this sold to gain 25%? So bought means the cost price. Cost price of 5 lemons is rupees 1. So Cp is equal to rupees 1. How many in a rupees should be sold to gain 25%? So the gain percent is equal to 25%. So Sp you find. Sp is equal to 1 plus 25 by 100 into Cp1. So it will be 125 by 100. If will cancel, so it will be 5 by 4. So Sp you got 5 by 4. So for rupees 5 by 4 Sp, the lemons sold is how many lemons sold? 5 lemons. So question asked how many in a rupee should be sold to gain 25%. So rupees 5 by 4 for selling price. Sp number of lemons is equal to 5. So for rupees 1 for Sp, number of lemons is equal to 5 divided by 5 by 4. So it is equal to 5 into 4 by 5. 5 cancel. So 4 lemons. So the shopkeeper can sold 4 lemons in a rupees to gain 25%. Understood? So variety type of problems I have done. You have to do similar type of problems you have to do in practice in home. In the next video more problems I will do. This much in this video. Thank you.